I'm Santina with WTI. If you are looking for a fabulous tablecloth, please check this one out by JIALE. I love this tablecloth. First of all, I feel like it's really upped my dinner party hosting experience. I love hosting dinner parties now. This tablecloth is really beautiful. I love the design on it. It's simple but classy. And for me, that is just my style. I also feel like this is a really good high quality fabric. It feels nice and heavy, and even better, even though I've used this for several dinner parties, it washes up fabulously. It has no stains on it, which I think is just amazing. So I have found this to just be wonderful for hosting. It looks beautiful, it's great high quality, and if you are also looking for a fabulous tablecloth, then I hope you will love this one as well. And that's my point of view.